Eh yung ang lahat ng mga nakakabit sa classroom pinatanggal nyo para nga walang walang distraction. Tapos pag-aawayin mo yung parents kung sinong gusto sa tagig, sino papayagan nyo yun?
DepEd respects the opinion of...
It's not an opinion, it's in the law. Who is guarding the schools right now? Kaninong security guard? Sa DepEd ba?
The answer is no.
Yeah, kaninong
Not DepEd.
security guards?
Alam nyo? Makati? Contracted by Makati,
Oh.
Mr. President.
And why are you protecting them? First and foremost, any school you go to in the Philippines na DepEd at makita mo na DepEd school, anong assumption nun? Sino may-ari nun?
DepEd, I will
DepEd.
reply.
Okay?
DepEd.
So if Alan Cayetano says that's mine, will you believe me?
Without proof, no.
Yes. And you're already my sister.
That's
But
true.
still, you will not
As
believe
far as
me.
I know.
Di ba? So let me start with a specific question. What is the policy of DepEd regarding uniforms?
Okay, uniforms are not mandatory.
And is it correct? The reason is not the science behind it, because the science behind it is solid. Uniforms are very advantageous to students. The reason is because our people are poor at wala silang pambili ng uniform. Kaya tayo hindi mandatory. But for cities who can afford, they can provide uniform.
Is that correct? Correct?
Yes, they can provide, but it's not mandatory. So, kahit na merong uniform, pwede pa rin.
So they can provide, Your Honor, but according to DepEd, it's still not mandatory.
Well, if that's the statement, I have a problem with that. Because all of the science proves that uniforms are beneficial to students. And I was the impression of kaya hindi mandatory kasi hindi makabili yung parents. Pero kung ipro-provide na ng local government, bakit hindi sila pag-uniform? Uniforms are anti-bullying. Uniforms are make a sense of community. I mean, all the science is there. You can Google it if you want. All the big universities have that, no? Anyway, I'll pause there so that the DepEd can think about it. Kasi yun ang impression ko, that you are just making consideration to those who cannot afford. Pero kung provided na, bakit hindi pag-uniforme? May nakita na ba kayong private school na hindi nag-uniform? Okay, so why is it called a uniform? Di ba kasi isa lang? So can I ask, maybe the Assistant Secretary should join the group in front para masagot yung questions. Kasi ikaw nag-make ng statement eh. Can you tell me, Assistant Secretary,
So
through the
can, just for
chairperson?
the record, for our uso pa ba stenographer, recording na lang ng ano sa
Yeah.
YouTube. Who is it you're calling? Is this Francis Cesar Bringas? No?
Yes.
Okay, can you stay here?
May I know from the sponsor if the Assistant Secretary knows any school in the world that has two uniforms at the same time?
Oo. You heard the question? Yeah.
I was the one who told the secretary
To let them to accept all uniforms. Okay. So, Mr. President, Vice President, Secretary said she was the one who told ASEC, to accept any uniform.
Yes, accepting the uniforms and telling the teachers and students that in a way that's making it katatawanan, na you can wear one on Monday and one on Friday, is not the same as accepting uniforms.
Yes. Do you,
I can give you a book today, but to tell you, use my book on Monday, use PF's book on Tuesday and Wednesday, the concept of the uniform is uni, hindi multi. Ibig sabihin, isa lang. Diba? Kung hindi, multiform yan. Okay. I'll go to my second point. Ayaw niyong malito yung estudyante. Sabi nyo, alisin sila dun sa issue. Tapos, yung isa nilang notebook, Tagig. Yung isa nilang notebook, Makati. Yung katabi nila, ang notebook, Tagig. Ang katabi, Makati. You will make that a policy? Eh, yung ang lahat ng mga nakakabit sa classroom, pinatanggal nyo para nga walang, walang distraction. Tapos, pag-aawayin mo yung parents kung sinong gusto sa Tagig, sino papayagan nyo yon? That is the implication of your policy. You said it's for the students. You said they can accept it, but in your meeting, you said they can use all of them. So tamang policy yun?
Yes, I was the one who instructed.
So, Mr. President, the VP Secretary is saying that she was the one who instructed the ASEC. But if I may just add my own commentary on all this, ASEC, it's in your delivery. When you laugh about it in a way and say na, di Monday, mag-uniform kayo ng Taguig, Tuesday, mag-uniform kayo na ano, kahit ako, and you will all attest to it, napariyak ako while listening. I wasn't saying anything, I was just listening, but I reacted because it is not consistent with the Supreme Court, it is not consistent with the Supreme Court decision. Diba? Oh. Statement mo ba to?
It's not really my
Mr. President, ASEC Bringas apologizes for making light of the situation.
Accept the apology. For me, no? For Taguig and the mayors, nasa kanila yon. I know you're working hard. I know you love the students. But we have to think of the consequences of our action. So kung ang China magbigay ng notebook sa Pag-asa Island, sasabihin natin pwedeng gamitin ng Pilipino yung China at saka yung The Supreme Court has already said that these barangays are Taguig and Makati is prohibited from exercising any jurisdiction. Giving them notebooks from their public funds is exercising jurisdiction. Giving them, accepting, okay, but telling them you need to use it, allowing them to use both, ma'am, is it that stepping on the autonomy of Taguig? DepEd doesn't have full authority under the DepEd schools in any city in the country. It's a joint responsibility with local autonomy. In fact, if you look at the basic education law, it is the principal who has that authority, not the secretary. Isn't it correct?
The answer, so I can...
We do not agree, but we respect the opinion.
DepEd respects the opinion of...
It's not an opinion, it's in the law. Which goes to the next point. Who is guarding the schools right now? Kaninong security guard? Sa DepEd ba?
The answer is no.
Yeah, kaninong
Not DepEd.
security guards?
Alam nyo? Makati? Contracted by Makati,
Oh.
Mr. President.
And why are you protecting them? They were ordered by the PNP to leave. And Taguig already said napapalit sila. And the principals already said, one of them hindi pinayagan ng security guard sa loob ng sarili niyang school. The security guards there are taking orders from Makati, not from DepEd. In front of the DepEd and NCR, sinabi ng Taguig, when our security comes in, they will not be following the mayor of Taguig, they will be following the principals. In your meeting, there were certain agreements. Hindi naman sinusunod ng Makati dahil yung security guard sa Makati eh. Ito, dalawang sulat sa iyo sa PNP, they're here. Pinatawag ko yung mismong SOSA. Sumulat sa inyo, hindi nyo man lang sinagot eh. So how can you say you're not protecting? Yusek Powa, ito, may sulat sa inyo.
Nakita mo na yung letter? Yeah, but the fact...
Mr. President, Madam Chair, for the record, Makati has no authority anymore over the areas. So they have no business having security guards in schools there, taking orders from the Makati mayor.
But But ang response...
And you have not allowed Taguig security guards to enter. There are several letters pending since August, hindi nyo rin sinasagot. So how can you say you're not protecting and favoring yung Makati security guards? Pag may nangyari sa school na yan, is it the responsibility of the Taguig mayor or the Makati mayor?
According to the Vice President, Secretary, it's the DepEd
No,
responsibility.
I take exception. It's both. If something happens to Davao High School, it's both the mayor of Davao and the DepEd. Kasi constituency, DepEd doesn't live alone. Hindi isolated ang DepEd, hindi all-powerful ang DepEd. DepEd Taguig yan. Look at the basic governance law. Look at the local government code. Meron kayong DepEd Taguig. There's no such thing as DepEd Office of the Secretary. So kung may mangyari dyan, yung parents magko-complain sa city ng Taguig. Hindi lang sa DepEd. Kung may mangyari sa health center sa Comembo, Embo, Rembo, they will complain to DOH and Taguig. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng DOH lang. 'Di ba? Yet, you're not allowing Taguig to put security guards there. Di ba, Yusek Powa, with the permission of the Chair and Madam Chair, ang usapan, joint inventory. O, nag-inventory ang Makati mag-isa with the help of their guards, nawala ang Taguig, di ba? O, kinumplain sa inyo yon, hindi nyo pa rin pinayagan yung guard. O, anong klaseng transition team yon? Isa lang kausap nyo sa transition.
Mr. President, is the senator waiting for a reply regarding the letter? Because you had a question earlier, so I'm not sure if there is a response.
I'd like to
that is
find out
being-
para umikli,
Yes.
because I made
Yes.
my point. Are they going to allow security guards from Taguig to make sure na safe yung teachers, students, and no there or not?
Yes, no? Sabi mo yes, di ba? Yes. Oo.
Pending the transition plan.
Security, yeah. Mr. President, pending the transition plan, yes, security forces or security guards from Taguig will be allowed there.
Okay. I thank you for that, Madam Vice President.
Actually, in
because-
fairness, she was telling that to me earlier already when you first mentioned the question.
Yeah, but the transition committee has not answered.
Yeah, I was saying
And
nga
may
that-
rules ang PNP, kaya nga nalilito na sila eh. 'Di ba? Because usually it's the principal who decides. Okay? So which goes to my point on ownership. Is there an issue sa ownership ng schools?
So we asked them to render it.
So to file the proper, okay. With respect to the ownership, the Vice President Secretary says they've asked the parties to refer that to the court,
Yeah.
back to the Supreme
Yeah.
Court.
Madam Vice President, I admire you answering and standing up for the committee, but I know it is the committee who's meeting people. Okay? First and foremost, any school you go to in the Philippines na DepEd at makita mo na DepEd school, anong assumption nun? Sino may-ari nun?
DepEd, I will
DepEd.
reply.
Okay?
DepEd.
So if Alan Cayetano says that's mine, will you believe me?
Without proof, no.
Yes. And you're already my sister.
That's
But
true.
still, you will not
As far
believe
as
me.
I know.
Di ba? Okay. So this is my point. And that's why I made reference na kilala nyo pa ba si Nilo Rosas, no? Because if you go back in history, very strict ang DepEd para magkaroon ng DepEd school. There's no such thing as a LGU school. Meron yon sa SUC. So sila Win Gatchalian, pioneered, meron silang university sa Valenzuela. Meron university ang Taguig TCU. Iba yon sa PUP, TUP, etc. CHED yon. Iba yon sa private. Sa DepEd, these are all DepEd schools, meaning funded by DepEd, pati teachers, etc. But nung nagkulang na yung lupa sa Metro Manila, pumayag na yung DepEd na magkaroon in the past, a few years, 10 years, 15 years ago, pumayag na magkaroon ng MOA na pwedeng gamitin. Pero DepEd school pa rin yun. Okay? So, when Mayor Abby Binay said, isasara ko na lang to, bakit hindi nag-respond sila Yusek Powa at saka yung ano na, you cannot do that. So, let me ask you, all of these schools, 14 schools, is it patrimonial property or public use?
Public use,
Oh.
Your Honor.
If it's
Mr.
public
President.
use, is it the municipal corporation that has jurisdiction or is it Congress? These are Supreme Court decisions. So para dun sa mga nakikinig, halimbawa Makati bumili ng lupa, nagtayo sila ng Jollibee doon, patrimonial yon. Sa kanila yon, sila may-ari. Pero halimbawa may lupa doon, bigay ng gobyerno nila para sa ospital, para sa police station, para sa ano, public use yon. Hindi nila pwedeng angkinin yon. Okay. So has the Transition Committee written the DNR or the Bureau of Land or the Land Management Bureau?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Mr. President.
So I'm confused now. In ABS-CBN, sinabi ni Yusek Powa, hindi issue yung lupa dito. Pero ang sinasabi, kaya Office of the Secretary muna, kasi sabi ng Makati sa kanila, kaya kailangan namin alamin. Ang boss nyo, Vice President Isang sulat nyo lang, bibigyan kayo ng sagot May I call the page? Pakibigay ito kay... This is a certification na there's no special patent to Makati. In fact, there are 3 schools. Basahin ko lang. Sorry. But in terms of Comembo Elementary School, Sembo Elementary School, South Sembo Elementary School, these lots were proclaimed in the name of the Republic of the Philippines Department of Education. So sa inyo to. So kung sa inyo to, sino dapat maglagay ng security guard? Di ba dalawa lang? Either Taguig lang or DepEd lang. Makati, Parañaque, Muntinlupa has no authority to put security guards in a school outside their jurisdiction. Pakiabot na lang. So, I'd like to thank the Vice President for her patience in listening to this because we have thousands of students and as we discussed, malaki ang problema natin sa education. Hindi nyo nare-realize yung oras na ginugugol dito para lang maayos tong lahat no? So, we've talked about ownership. Does that satisfy you with the ownership?
I mean, it's suspension, Mr. President.
Session suspended.